So this is a graph showing the interaction between weight in newtons and mass in kilograms. So we took 5 different numbers for mass and 5 different numbers for weight, which were related, and we entered it into LoggerPro and it graphed the line. So we see the relationship between weight and mass is that less mass equals less weight, is what I observed. However, I learned that weight changes but mass doesn't change, and that makes sense because your weight changes on different planets but your overall mass never changes. And I also learned that weight is from gravity because weight is essentially the force of gravity acting upon an object. So if you're heavier, then the force of gravity acting upon you would be heavier. What else? Also, the equation for weight equals 10, here you can see it's 10 newtons per 1 kilogram times mass plus 0.22 newtons. And we see that 10 newtons over 1 kilogram, actually, let me draw that out. Hold on. So we found that the equation right here. Oh, oops. What did I do? Sorry, I just had a little mishap there. Okay, anyway, this is a more visual representation of the equation I just talked about, where you can see weight equals 10 newtons over 1 kilogram, which represents gravity, times mass, which doesn't change, as I said previously, plus 0.22 newtons. And this, hold on, this, oh, whoops. So the 0.22 newtons represents the point at where m equals 0, or mass equals 0. And one important thing to consider is that the starting weight, which is 0.22 newtons, is when the weight equals 0 newtons as well. So basically, I just want to say this whole equation again. So for every, or I just want to restate it, for every 1 kilogram on the object, there is 10 newtons acting on the object. And I also learned today that for every kilogram of mass, the object speed increases by 9.8 meters per second, or about 10 meters per second, which represents gravity. So it would be like saying for every, for every 1 kilogram of mass, the object's speed is faster, or speed increases for every 1 kilogram. Yeah, that was really badly worded, but I'm really tired, so this is what I learned from my LoggerPro graph. Okay.